How to deploy models in Google AI Studio. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to deploy models in Google AI Studio. Now, Google AI Studio has evolved from a simple prompt playground into a powerful build and deploy environment. You can deploy models either as fully functionable web app or API endpoint. So what you want to do is to deploy the models, you just want to build your app. So go to the AI Studio, use the build icon, so tap onto the menu bar and go to build section. When you click onto the build, you then need to go ahead and in the left hand side or you just want to scroll down and there's describe your idea. You just want to go ahead and describe your application in a plain English. The AI will generate a complete code base, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and render a live preview on the right side of the screen. Then you could just deploy to Cloud Run. That means you want to select the deploy to Cloud Run button in the top bar. Select an existing Google Cloud project or create a new one. Then you could also follow the prompt to enable the building if required, and once complete, Google AI Studio provides a public URL for your live app. And this way you'll be able to deploy models in Google AI Studio. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.